What happened? What happened?
You told me you were gonna do what?
Who?
Okay.
Who?
We hit your block, so not as in fan. He dropped the low, we gon' big Cartier on my wrist, like he wanna, then he gotta come. Go.
What's up, YouTube? Goddamn, this is another video. I ain't gonna care. It's late. You see, it's late, but we don't care. Y'all still getting content anyway, so it don't really matter. Okay, but what you say? Wait, what?
You just do. What's up, YouTube?
I can just put that.
Back in the motherfucker, man. Back with another video. It's native fuck, and I don't give a fuck. So, you know what I'm saying? Good content.
I'm getting y'all content anyway, so it don't really matter. Okay, but
Little booty ass bitch.
with your little booty ass. What that boy said? What that boy said?
Little booty ass.
He said,
little ass booty.
He said, with your little ass booty. But yeah, we really. I had a whole day. I forgot to pick up the camera. We didn't went to go look at bikes because my homeboy, he got a bike. So we all finna get bikes now. I know how to ride a bike. I had a bike since I was little. But yeah, I'm just not. I've been wanting to buy a bike, but he really making me want to get one now. So we went to go look at a bike. Found two actually. One he privately selling, and then the other one, you know what I'm saying, dealership type shit. But I already found the one I want, so that's gonna be a vlog. I'm getting that. But anyways,
I don't know how you dance to that.
I don't know. But yeah, so now we waiting on somebody else so we can go to the damn car meet the weekend. It ain't week, it's our car meet actually.
You edit that shit out.
Yeah, I'm
edit
edit
that shit out.
But yeah, so we going down there.
Oh, that whole
And this
stanza.
these trucks, bro. Bro.
You said you're 8 minutes where you had to lose 12?
No informant ass. Nigga ain't even on the phone.
Yeah, we
Bruh, been waiting all damn day.
we
Who's
making
that?
him wait.
That's who?
Alright.
Anyways, yeah, but these boys funny, bro. We been
He's a
laughing this whole entire time, cause like this nigga is funny as hell, bro. But yeah, I might just pick up the camera where some more stuff happen, cause these folks is.
We ain't on.
Cause we in Trustville.
We chilling.
Yeah, bro, we waiting on folk.
We chilling. We waiting on slime ball.
Right, for real.
I had to wait on slime. He said I ran the motherfucker.
Hang up,
coming,
bro. Hang up, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Piss me off.
I know, right?
Hey, EJ, when it's cool when they do it. It's a power when I do it.
Open your door.
Open the goddamn door.
Y'all niggas funny,
Just
bro.
open the doors.
It's open the goddamn door.
That's how it sound when I take a shit.
I saw you need some laxative. You need that shit. Your shit doing that shit, bro.
On Debo.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. He gonna need a plunge and every damn chemical.
That's that bowel movement. That bowel get the moving.
Yo, I got a Ludacris on. Dum, dum, dum. Not Ludacris. Yeah, I'm editing that. No. That's definitely Lil John. Yeah, that's definitely Lil John. Fucking gosh, go cut this.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that last one hard.
Nigga, everybody going to this? In that little ass spot.
But it's like a pop up. Everybody ain't gonna really pop up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They pop up.
You
see how many niggas shared that damn shit?
They popped up last time.
Yeah.
What you say? Sex thing. Tell me, give me one more time. Get low.
Hey, that was on Need for Speed Underground. That was on Need for Speed Underground, and the theme song, and when you first turn on the video, movie game thing, and then the car is sitting there just driving.
Remember, just
He's
cruising
just
on that
cruising
road.
on his own.
Oh, boy. And what's the other song they used to play? With that T.I. 24.
24, nigga, you just said.
I didn't even fix up my car, and I was just in that bitch as a little kid jet.
I wasn't.
I was just bobbing, but I put the
I
controller
used to have
down.
a big ass spoiler on that shit, them big ass side skirts, big ass bumper, and some cone rims, and there was probably like some 20-inch TISs or some shit. I don't know, nigga. They was stupid ass shit. And then that bitch had nitrous. In real life, that bitch would look uglier than the motherfucker. Oh, God, it was. On some Los Santos Customs type
Los
shit.
Santa Costa.
When you play
Bro,
Grove Street,
out there
nigga.
celebrating.
that's what I call home.
Took my credit, dude.
This
Boom.
was when I fucked everything.
Street football?
It's too much going on.
He said Grove Street. This is what I call home. Or at least that's what it was before I fucked everything up.
Man, but I used to be on that game.
Nah, for real, I be spamming that. They should be sitting there just.
I'm still in that bit with a knife test.
On the ground, bro. Yes, bro.
Damn, this nigga still stabbing his ass. This nigga acting like bitch, still stabbing.
And the body just. And then you just see a pedestrian, he walking to.
Why your head don't move when you rap? Your head didn't move.
Bro, he probably can do the shaggy dance, bro.
Like you do this and then your legs gotta move.
Like.
I never seen that. I gotta see that shit myself.
Bro, show him, bro.
Hard, man.
How you do that shit?
I got YouTube. What it was on YouTube?
Bro.
That motherfucker was killing that shit,
What?
Yes, bro.
Big, do it, big. You gotta do it. I can't do it. Do it, big.
I got it, bro. I need to close up on the feet, bro. One more time, bro.
I've never heard of that. Not one time.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Where the hell they get that from? TikTok or something? I don't know. That shit funny. That nigga doing this shit.
That shit funny, bro. We did a whole shift, bro. It's time to go, but where my keys at? I got scared. But yeah, we finna go ahead and head to this meet, and then it be look so good in the nighttime. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get to the meet, and then I'm gonna see y'all there. Alright, we out here at the little car meet, a little pop-up meet and shit like that. Goddamn, I'm finna walk around. I'm finna go to my homeboys first, see what they on and shit, and then I'll show you some of the cars out here. But I forgot the bikes right there. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get me a bike, bro. I'm really gonna get me a bike. I think let me lock my shit. I'm tripping. But yeah, I'm gonna get me a bike though. Real shit. Oh, my nigga out here too. Yeah, like you feel me? We really just outside vibing and shit like that, man. Look at that.
Whoa!
Who that is?
He said it's going working and shit.
Yo! I had to get up on him. When you in all black and you black, that's too much.
I always wear black.
Black all week.
All week, man.
No, you gray and black today.
That's crazy.
He gray and black today, y'all. He was black yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, you was him then?
I was definitely him.
Okay.
Definitely him. I play wide receiver.
Bro, for a little pop-up meet, there's a lot of people here.
a lot of pop.
Caps.
You know, the crazy part is that, you know, Merrill's were supposed to be here first.
Jose on our ass. Yeah, when we here first and last time.
You was here first and last time.
Jose, tell Jose we were here first and last time. Yeah.
Bullshit.
I'm gonna start calling you Padre.
The crazy part,
Y'all
y'all said it's a Merrill pop-up meet, and yet the Merrills weren't here.
We popped up.
We popped
Barely.
up. We popped up. That's a pop
If
up.
it was our meet, you feel me? We were in there.
Oh shit. Let's go see your ass.
Oh, man, that motherfucker bright as hell.
God damn.
Hey,
Still ain't enough.
Shit.
Hey, bro, we doing donuts around the country.
car.
Hey.
I do want to tan them though. I definitely want to tan them. Definitely want to tan them.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, we went dumb viral with James shit.
When? Oh, when?
SSJ.
Oh, when y'all was young.
Boy, that
I know
bitch
it's
at
out there.
like 180K right now. Boy,
Yeah.
that bitch went.
I knew that was gonna go viral, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't expecting niggas to hop in.
He need to post it on YouTube. He tripping.
I ain't expecting niggas to hop in that bitch. Oh, God. I did not expect that.
I'm telling you, I'm getting off bike, bro. I'm getting off bike, bro. We spent all day in Trustville looking for a bike, bro. That's what we was, bro. What the hell? Hey, I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm gonna get a bike, man. I'm getting that, but I told y'all, bro. They really, look at this. God, them boys reckless, man.
Hey, so does that make
Them
you want to get a bike?
I'm gonna get a bike regardless, bro. Regardless. What up, man? What up?
Barbecue.
They coming back. Come on back then. Walk that bitch. Hey, he walking that bitch from down there. There's too much going on. There's too much going on, bro. We got the cat. Oh shit. Hey, you finna hit, man. Oh, man. Hey, why about the cat, mama? It's too much going on, bro. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, we lit today, but I didn't even know it was gonna be this lit. I didn't know it was gonna be this lit, cause bro, listen to me, bro. This whole day, since 12 o'clock today, bro, we spent all day in Trustville trying to get a bike, bro.
You said a bike?
A bike, bro.
You was trying to get a bike?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I found
I know
one.
you been wanting a bike.
He gave me a sweet ass deal, bro.
Why you ain't on the bike?
This man get a bike.
Huh?
Why you ain't on the bike?
Cause he got to fix it up first. The only thing he need is the gas tank, the tank to put on there, and then he got to spray it with some. It's a Jixon 600.
She passed us right in front.
For your first bike?
Yeah. Well, first bike back. That's all, buddy, with the receiver.
I thought it was a cop.
No, 12 down sitting down there. Hey, you know 12 sitting down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I came in. That's why, hey, my car ain't in here. My car is not in here. It's with me, but it ain't in here.
So what you saying? I need to.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to.
So what you think is best though?
I always try to handle caution.
But where do I go though?
And it's up to you, my boss. But hey, we out of there. Me and him. He's not in the words.
Fuck.
We literally in the dark, boy. We is not
For
to be
real.
I need.
If we just walking by on the walking track.
right.
But I'm finna go move, bro. Y'all tweaking, bro. I'm finna go move. I don't know where I'm gonna move to, but damn, how the fuck? What the fuck? I don't even. Hold on, man. That bit hard, looky. Turn on that brightness a little bit.
You don't go down the street unless you cross me.
Try to turn right.
I still beat him. I definitely beat him. Straight motor. I ain't even had no two-step. That shit was alright.
It ain't ready yet, though. He go, man, he's just crazy flames down there.
I mean, you know.
I know.
I'll take it though. I'll take it. Let me. I need to know where I need to park, bro.
Did you go over that median too, like I did?
Heck yeah. But I seen how you hit that motherfucker, so I slowed down.
Oh, bro, I can't lie. I panicked because I ain't know who was behind me. I ain't know who was behind me.
Cause you still looked at the headlights.
Out, bro. It was a split-second decision. Cause look, she scared me the way she turned over in front of me.
Yeah, she was definitely in the right lane, but
in the
turned
right
in
lane
the left.
and turned
bro.
in the left. So I ain't. Bro, my shit, look, I'm in the oncoming traffic, bro.
Hey.
I said what I said, bro. I said what I said, bro.
Hey, Lo.
Said what I said.
Hey, Lo.
Hey, y'all and I ain't playing with.
Hey. You good?
Fuck that. Cause I said what the fuck I said.
Man, that nigga got to go.
It ain't just like that.
Hey, got right up in there, man.
So what it is? What it
Said
is?
chill, bitch. What happened, bro?
What it is?
What happened?
He told me he was gonna do what?
Who?
Okay.
Who?
Okay.
Who?
Okay. Alright, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm on that for sure. Yeah. I'm on
What
that
up,
for
man?
sure.
Hey, yo.
For sure. For sure on that.
Nigga wallet over there.
What the fuck they clashing for?
I don't know. I ain't never seen no beef with nobody.
Oh, my, I ain't seen low beef with nobody.
You just talking?
It's time to go, ain't it?
Who the other nigga?
We finna slide, ain't
My ass is gonna say, what work I'm going?
It's too much. I guess I can get the leaving in.
All I heard, hey, all I seen was the Taylor
That hoe moving. That hoe moving. That hoe moving. What they talking about? Oh, that's BC.
What they gonna do for us? I'm gonna protect myself.
Keep it going, amigo.
So looking like, what the fuck going on out here?
Damn. I just got that hoe. I'm finna go home.
Oh God.
That bit moving. Little bit.
Jose went over there. I was like,
Bruh. Jose is a hoe.
Stay over there. That's how you know.
No, I was just playing Jose. I'm just
I was
playing.
doing the wrong thing. I was like,
I was over there too. I was.
I was being a bitch. I was like, Jose, don't give a damn what a Jose.
You hear me?
We gonna use it. We gonna use it. Shit.
It's really not gonna save you, bro. It's not gonna save you, bro.
Here's the thing though, because I thought he was the one in problem.
What happened, bro?
No, that would have been different. He would have all been over there. Jacqueline had a problem.
Nah, see, I thought it was Jacqueline, so I went over there to see.
I just want to know what happened, bro.
I don't give a fuck. Hey.
I just want to know what happened, bro.
Bro, it's just like this.
I just want to know what happened,
So
man.
who beefing with who? That's what I'm
So this guy in this Mustang with one of the amigos. Oh, you talking about Low?
with another Mexican? Mexican on Mexican?
Shut up.
Oh, I didn't know he was Mexican.
You Mexican?
My mama didn't know he was Mexican.
Y'all niggas here.
No, he's not Mexican. It was just light skin.
Don't put that shit on there.
I'm putting it on there. I'm putting everything on there. So niggas lying. So niggas lying up. That shit scared the fuck out of me, boy. On me, that boy got a mean ass tick on that hoe, boy.
I didn't even know the fuck was going on.
Nah, you ain't.
Alright, there we go. Cuz, I'm sitting up here like, the fuck, cuz?
I hear click, click. I'm like, okay. I did hear click, click too.
I started walking, I'm like, where it is?
And then I heard another one. That's what I tattoo.
Yeah, you did.
For real. That's why I was like, okay.
No, you should have been there when we was at the park. At the park, bro. On my baby. Oh, hold on now. Hold on now, Sly. He almost, he almost. He caught it. He definitely caught it. You say what?
Almost put a dimple in the bumper.
I don't think he had the traction off though.
No, I know what he did.
Yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna say don't. I wouldn't even tell him to do that shit no more. 'Cause that's what you like. You try to redeem yourself.
It ain't old. It just old.
I don't know. Ooh, shit. Hey, Jet, chill out. Don't need to do no more. I didn't do it no more, boy. Oh, damn, boy. I almost broke my shit, boy. Damn.
But hit one of them.
Oh, my. I almost broke my shit, boy. They do. That motherfucker, huh? Damn, I ain't gonna fuck my shit up. I'm gonna fuck my shit up, bro. Yeah, you know. Oh, what the fuck? No. We're not racing. We're not racing.
Beat him right across the corner.
No, for real. We is not. Where he go?
There go my best friend.
Where he go? Jacqueline, we not racing. We not racing, bro. Cuz, we not racing, bitch.
You gotta go find his ass when he
What?
starts some shit. What the fuck?
Race who?
Put that shit on the record, bitch.
They got the money with racing.
I can't even. I ain't trying to race nobody. I said don't race.
Oh, yeah. The police gonna be out here.
They gonna be at they over there.
Man, I know shit.
Who we got today?
We got
Who we got? Oh, we ain't got.
Can't do it on her shit.
Oh, of course, we ain't got nobody then.
Yeah, we ain't got nobody then.
She'll roll the window up on you.
Oh my gosh. Look
Got
at
that,
And this nigga Instagram famous.
got that sized them up. Fuck that running for? Oh,
Who running? What y'all running for?
fuck that going?
What y'all running for? I got third since.
What they running for?
Don't run.
Where y'all going?
And Miles ain't running, ain't nothing going on.
Nah, for real.
Yeah, Miles ain't running, ain't nothing going on.
Okay, fuck you.
What up, man? Damn, boy, I want them rims, boy. Fuck!
What up, man?
Oh, that shit so damn bad,
I
bro.
be happy to see my niggas outside.
I ain't seen that man outside in a minute, boy. Damn, I ain't seen that boy in a minute, boy. That ain't pulling up deep as fuck. That just pulled up deep as hell. Oh, I know exactly. Jeffrey! What the shoestrings and shit all the time? What the fuck?
Oh my God, these marrows coming in that hole.
Come in a bit deep as fuck.
I swear to God, these marrows.
Deep as fuck. I want them rims, bro. I'm telling you, I want them rims. Oh!
It may not be there, but it's gonna be some cash. One phone call, they gonna pull up. It may not be there, but it's gonna pull up.
Why?
Yes! No! Hey! Don't pull up! Come on! Pull in here, bitch!
All right, y'all.
Damn!
We done run the city out.
That boy jumping. What the fuck?
But it's a pop-up.
Okay, this is on mine. Okay, bro.
Stop claiming Crown Vics in 2008.
Fuck, man. My damn shoes untied and shit. I don't even know how that happened. Oh, I got it. Motherfucker, tight as fuck,
Hey,
man.
we all getting the playoffs, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta get the playoffs.
Got to.
Again. I already had them. Again.
Shit, man.
Y'all niggas know this shit.
They done brought the niggas out.
C8. The C8.
The niggas. They spinning?
On that other side.
That nigga. They been doing a lot.
Let's go!
Shit, boy.
Crazy, boy.
Yeah. But we lit out this bitch. I just said that. I'm finna go, bitch. I ain't got no time. I'm finna dip out there. I'm finna dip out this bitch. Hey, yo. We still record. We still out here. I need some gas. I can't be doing all of this. Oh, look, they. Damn, low. I need some gas, bitch. gotta get some gas. I gotta get some gas. Well, I don't think y'all know what happened, but you feel me? Basically, something went down and everybody just scattered. Well, I'm at the gas station because your boy needs some gas, and I ain't trying to be running everywhere without no gas. You know what I'm saying? That's a rookie mistake right there. But I'm trying to see where they at now. I'm trying to call my homeboy, but you feel me? We calling each other at the same time. So, but yeah, if I go back out there, then you feel me? I'll pick up the camera and get back out there. But if I don't, yo.
Come on, BJ, just one time.
Alright, we back.
BJ.
We still got the barrels out. But this nigga got music playing. Damn, I got music playing. God damn it, bro. I'ma sit up here and talk over it though. I'ma damn close this video up and shit up going on. It's done for the night. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit. And we just gonna leave it at that.